Welcome, everyone, to the breathtaking Dubai Miracle Garden, the world's largest natural flower garden and one of Dubai's most colorful attractions. Get ready to step into a magical world filled with millions of blooming flowers, incredible floral sculptures, and picture-perfect pathways that feel straight out of a fairy tale. From heart-shaped arches and floating umbrellas to giant castles, airplanes, and Disney-inspired displays. Every corner of this garden is designed to amaze you. What makes this place truly special is that we are standing in the middle of the desert, yet surrounded by an explosion of color and life. It's a beautiful reminder of Dubai's creativity and imagination, turning the impossible into reality. As we explore together, take your time, enjoy the fresh atmosphere, capture plenty of photos, and don't forget to look closely at the amazing details in each display. Whether you're a flower lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply here to enjoy the experience, there's something magical waiting around every corner. So, relax, smile, and let's begin our unforgettable journey through the stunning Dubai Miracle Garden.